Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan presenting my video on the topic separation of real and imaginary part. Example, if sine of theta plus I phi is equal to cos alpha plus I sin alpha, then prove that cos square theta is equals to plus minus sin alpha. And to prove this, we take the help of the given information. Here given is sine of theta plus I phi as cos alpha plus I sin alpha. Expanding this by sin A plus B formula, its expansion is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, and therefore it is sin theta cos I phi plus cos theta sin I phi is equal to cos alpha plus I sin alpha, cos alpha plus I sin alpha. We know that cos of I phi is cos hyperbolic phi, a relation between circular and hyperbolic function, and sin I phi is I sin H phi. Keeping other term as it is, therefore sin theta into this cos H phi plus cos theta into I sin H phi is equals to cos alpha plus I sin alpha. Here it is sin theta cos H phi plus I times cos theta sin H phi and that is equals to cos alpha plus I sin alpha. Left hand side we have complex number, right hand side another complex number. Sign of equality is there, and therefore comparing real part with real part and imaginary part with imaginary part, we get therefore sin theta cos H phi is equals to cos alpha real part and imaginary part cos theta sin H phi is equals to sin alpha. We call this equation 1, equation 2. And then solving for cos H phi and sin H phi, it implies cos hyperbolic phi is equals to cos alpha divided by sin theta, and sin H phi is equals to sin alpha divided by cos theta. And then squaring and subtracting these two, cos H square phi minus sin H square phi is equals to square of this is cos square alpha upon sin square theta minus sin square alpha upon cos square theta. But we know that standard formula from hyperbolic function cos h square phi minus sin h square phi is 1 is equal to here finding LCM or cross multiplying it, we get cos square phi minus into cos square theta minus sin square alpha into sin square theta sin square theta cos square theta sin square theta into cos square theta. And cross multiplying it, we get sin square theta into cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha cos square theta minus sin square alpha into sin square theta. Then rewriting it, we want a result for cos square theta and in terms of sin alpha, means we have to convert sin square theta in terms of cos square theta and cos square alpha in terms of sin square alpha. Therefore, the sin square theta I can write as 1 minus cos square theta into cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha we can write as 1 minus sin square alpha into cos square theta minus sin square alpha and sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta. And then simplifying it, 1 into cos square theta we get cos square theta minus cos theta raised to 4 is equals to cos square theta minus sin square alpha cos square theta minus sin square alpha and plus sin square alpha cos square theta. And then simplifying it, this cos square theta cancel with cos square theta, minus sin square alpha cancel with this sin square alpha cos square theta, and therefore we have cos theta raised to 4 is equals to sin square alpha. And then taking square root on both sides, we get therefore cos square theta is equals to square root of this is with 2 sin plus minus sin of alpha. Hence proved. We get the required result. Cos square theta is equals to plus minus sin alpha If you are watching my videos, please like and share it, as well as subscribe to my channel for new videos. Thank you very much.